Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this head. So I got some hair. Alright guys, so the hair that we're going to be using today comes from Karida Beauty. Now they sent me 8 packs of their Goddess box braids. This is crochet hair in 14 inches and the color is 1B. Now it's about a total of 120 strands in all. They also sent me this little latch hook with some accessories inside, which is pretty neat because that'll save you a trip to the beauty supply store. All of the information on this company will be left in my description box, so go ahead and check that out when you're done with the video. Today we're going to be doing a crochet style. It is a boho box braid style. If you are unfamiliar with boho box braids, this is what they look like. So they came in this pack, and these are the braids. They got these little curls hanging off of them, which is so cute. And then, you know, they got the loops at the end for you to crochet. Let's get these installed. Now, what I think I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to do individual twists and then connect them, and then I might, should I cornrow the back? Yeah, so let's start out with that and then we'll see how that goes. And there you guys have it. I ended up using about 5 packs of this hair. Now I will be leaving all of the information on this hair in the description box. Thank you again, Karida Beauty, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell because I will be dropping videos every week and you don't want to miss those uploads. Until next time, bye.